question ay galing kay Alan. Alan Sancon, gusto niya siya magtanong. Do you have a microphone na pwedeng iabot kay Alan? Meron? Okay, sige, abot natin kay Alan Sancon. Justin, pa-help please. Paabot natin yung question. Alan is from Stars Photog. Ito, magtatanong siya. Okay, ito na lang. Alan.
Ay po, congratulations again. Yung question ko for Belle, you're the youngest dito sa movie, di ba?
Yes po.
So, hindi ka ba, kinabahan dun sa mga ka-eksena mo personally? At kanino ka pinakakinabahan dun sa lahat?
Naku, totoo po ng reaction ko po dito nung nalaman ko yung project na to. Kinabahan po talaga ako. Siyempre, ang huhusay po nilang lahat. Diba? Parang sabi ko, pero more than that, parang mas nagkaroon po ako ng lakas ng loob para mas galingan pa. Kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-inspire. Siyempre, ang gagaling ng kasama mo. Bakit mo hindi aayusin? Sabi ko kay Inay actually nung una. Inay, sorry pa, I love you ma. Pero nung una kong na-meet si Inay, sabi ko, natatakot ako kay Inay. Paano kaya? Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, Inay, pwede ko po ba kayong tawagin mama? Yung unang reaction. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, oo naman, nung look test po namin to. And ngayon, anak niya na talaga ako.
And can I... go ahead.
Anak ko si Belle sa puso ko.
Right.
Sa pelikulang to.
Can I just say, bago Alan yung next question mo noon, parang this is so refreshing to the eyes kay Belle. Kasi nasanay kami na napapanood namin si Belle with, you know, Donnie, yung kanilang tandem, kanilang partnership. It's just so nice to see Belle working with the legends. With Inay Maria, with Piolo Pascual, and refreshing then to work with Juan Carlos and Joshua Garcia. Na I feel like Belle is no longer a Gen Z rising star. For me, Belle is now a Gen Z superstar. Nagpa-flashback sa isip ko now, that day that I went to Star Cinema office na nag-uusap kayo ni Direk Cathy. Doon yung una nating binrake sa kanila na you're doing this big solo project. Belle.
Yes, and it's truly such an honor po to be able to work with, of course, these artists that I really look up to in the industry, and of course to Star Cinema. It's such an honor to be able to do this project, and it's such, ang ganda-ganda ng mensahe nito, and just to be able to be part of the cast itself, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, and pinagpapasalamat ko po yun.
Thank you, Belle.
Thank you.
Alan, your next question?
Supposed to be, my question is for Direk Cathy, pero tanong ko na lang kay Inay Maria. Opo, follow up ko lang po yung sinabi ni Belle kanina. Naramdaman niyo po ba na doon sa mga first scene niyo ni Belle, kinabahan siya? And how do you, kumbaga, pinakalma siya? At paano sinuportahan po yung eksena niyo together?
Papaguhin ko lang yung kinabahan siya. Wala siyang kaba. Wala! Hindi ko nakita yun. Ang nakita ko yung mga mata niya eh. Mga mata, ang ganda-ganda ng mata. At saka, isa pa talagang natural siyang umarte. Totoo ang arte niya, hindi siya umaarte. Totoo lahat yung pinakita niya. Genuine lahat.
JK.
That's why I said, anak, mahusay ka, alam mo ba yun? So, ipag-usay mo pa para mas mahabang pa ang makita ng mga fans mo na nandito ka sa industriya nito. Kailangan ka ng industriya.
Alam niyo po ba, share ko lang, first scene ko with Mama, parang kasing medyo heavy yung scene. Not really heavy, diba po? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, binigyan niya ako ng tip. Sabi niya, Nak, ibuga mo lahat bago mo ibigay. Mas naramdaman mo. And siguro yun yung mga isang lessons ko na mababaon ko. Talagang kailangan, hasta yung paghinga mo, kailangan ako pa rin si Jerry. Yun talaga yung mababaon kong lesson dito, na bawat buong pagkatao ko dito sa buong movie na to, na kailangan ako si Jerry. And I wouldn't do it without the help of Mama.
May sinasabi si JK.
Wala. Sakto yung music.
Ano sinabi ko? Ay, oo, hindi. Kasi naka-work ko na si nagsasend comments nung din kami dito habang nag-uusap sila na naka-work ko na rin si Belle. parang working with her now, I personally feel super proud of what she's achieved, and magaling. Magaling yung bunso namin. So proud.
Bato namin yan eh.
Ang bato namin yan.
Alright, Alan?
Thank you, MJ.
Okay ka na doon. Next is si Chad. Chad of Manila Feed. Magtatanong, Justin, paano lang kay Chad, please? Ako na lang, Chad. O di ako. For Juan Carlos, what scene moved you the most while filming? And how did this film change your perspective on saying goodbye or moving on in terms of your relationship with your family?
Hala, hindi kasi feeling ko, di ko rin pwede spoil, no? Oo, bawal. Talk to my lawyer na lang po.
Ay, grabe.
Opo.
Pero how did it change daw? How did this film change your perspective?
We did this particular scene. Okay, sige. We did this particular scene, magkakasama kaming lahat. Maybe sa may bandang, medyo papalapit na sa dulo ng pelikula. So medyo, okay, doon na tayo. I'm not sure if it really particularly changed anything, the whole concept of saying goodbye, because I don't think anybody wants to say goodbye. I grew up with my lola, and my lola's getting older every time. And, you know, this whole idea of someone not being there anymore, I don't like it. So, actually, as a person, I also don't like saying goodbye in general. I always like saying see you again. So, I don't know. Yeah. Medyo mabigat. Pero, yeah. Next question siguro.
No, totoo naman yun eh. Mabigat naman talaga eh. The trailer itself.
Hindi kasi ayoko bumalik dun eh.
Pero mabigat, pero is it liberating?
I don't know. Not sure like how I can answer that one.
Okay. Baka it's also spoiler.
Or baka andun, yeah, baka, kasi medyo fresh pa rin eh. Like, kaya nga like the whole sepangs like,
Ako feeling ko yun yung magiging objective natin after we see the movie. Mabigat, pero
magaan after.
We'll define it.
Liberating, yeah.
We'll define it. Iba magiging definition ko, iba magiging definition mo, iba
Yeah,
magiging
yeah,
definition nila.
Oh.
And we'll all find that out once we see the movie. Belle, you're saying something?
Just in addition to what you said, I think when we watch this film, mabigat siya, like, just to continue what you're saying, but it's also a release. Diba? It's also a release of emotions. And there's freedom to that. And I think that's when the liberating comes. Diba?
Agree. Next, we have Carl June Canonoy of Kapatid Insider. Carl June, you're here? Go ahead.
Hello, good evening and congrats na napaganda niyong movie. Okay,
Parang na?
Ay, di pa?
Di pa.
Congrats lang.
Congrats lang.
Okay, question po for Direk, since wala po si Direk, yung mga creators na lang po. What message or theme does Meet, Greet, and Buy want to leave with the audience?
How does this want to leave with the audience?
Yes.
Siguro, very short lang para at least hindi ma-spoil yung pelikula din na gusto naming masabi dito is love like there is no tomorrow because tomorrow is never promised. So, cherish our moments with our loved ones. Siguro yun.